Hey guys, so I just found out an awesome tool called as Sincode.ai. So this is an AI tool or a website through which you can generate your content for your social media. Okay, so you can see over here, it provides various tools such as essay writing. You can chat with the chatbot like similar to chatgpt. Okay, you can improve your content by making use of this tool. So there are various tools being provided over here, so you can just make use of them. And you can see there is a image generation also, the AI image generation. Okay, so you can just go to this all these tools if you want. So you can see it has some free words been provided that the this AI provides you. So it provides you, I think so, 10,000 words for free when you sign in into this account, and after that it will charge about $1 per month. Okay, yeah. Okay, so in this tutorial let's talk about YouTube generation. Okay, so as I am a YouTuber and I create tutorials on Flutter and coding based video tutorial, so what I will do is I will just make use of this tool, and let's check out what this tool can be used for. Okay, so you can see if you want title topic idea, then you can just click on over here and it will give you a topic idea like this. Okay, so you saw that I have not typed anything over here, so video topic I have not entered, so it gave me a random like cooking challenge, something recipe recreation like this. Okay, so let's me add a keyword for it. So let me add a Flutter keyword and let's generate. Okay, so you can see over here it gave me an idea how to build a stunning Flutter application from the class. So it is giving me the information what I need, what I can cover in the video tutorial. Okay, so similarly I have recently searched for few tutorials that I am going to create. So I'm going to create a tutorial on completer in Flutter. So you can see, so there are various features being provided over here. So you can just give ask for the title for your YouTube video. You can just click on it and you can just give a topic like keywords like Flutter and everything. And it can also give you a description, hashtag, video summaries, and script outline. Okay, so here what I have done is I have selected script outline for this topic. Okay, so it gave me the outline from where to stop and what should be the ending part. Okay, so here it said me that you can create a good explanation video tutorial on Flutter, what is Flutter exactly and what can be used for. Okay, so what is completer in Flutter and define what is the use of it and how can we use it with code example and everything. Okay, so these are the steps being provided by this AI tool. Okay, so I can just make use of this outline to make a video tutorial on the same. Okay, so that's all for this video. So thanks for watching. Please do subscribe Proto Coders Point. Thank you.